Hello, students. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the English class. Today, I, Lakshmi, will teach you one topic of your grammar, that is, articles. See, students, these articles you must have studied in your previous class also. There are mainly three articles, that is, a, an, and the. These articles have been divided into two categories, that is definite articles and indefinite articles. In definite articles, only the article comes, and in indefinite articles, a and an comes. Now let's see where we'll have to use these three articles. First of all, a and an. See, students, although a and an have the same meaning and they both are indefinite articles, but the difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. For example, when the next word starts with a consonant sound, a article is used. Like a book. This book word starts with B. B is a consonant, and while pronunciation, B pronunciation is coming, means B's sound is coming. So a article is used. Similarly, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. When the next word starts with a vowel sound, an article is used. For example, an apple. This apple word starts with A alphabet. And when we pronounce apple, A sound is coming. So, an article is used with apple. Same is the case with an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. But we should always keep one thing in mind. There are some words that are starting with a vowel but having the sound of consonant while pronunciation. And there are some words that are starting with a consonant but having the sound of vowel while pronunciation. For example, R. This R word, HOUR, starts with H, that is a consonant. But when we pronounce it, it gives the sound of a vowel. This is the reason an article is used with it, because we'll have to focus on the sound. That while pronunciation, which sound is coming? Consonant sound is coming or vowel sound is coming? Same is the case with the word university. This university word is starting with a vowel but giving the sound of a consonant while pronunciation. So we will have to use a article with university. This rule applies to all words after a and an, including adjectives and adverbs also. For example, a cold day, a very crazy person, an easy lesson, an interesting class. So, a and an. Now, let's discuss where we use the article. But first of all, let's see this fill in a or an. English book. It is starting with E alphabet, that is a vowel, and it is giving the sound of E alphabet also. So an will be used here. An apple, a baby, a ball, a book, a door, an egg, an orange. Similarly, we'll have to use all these words with a and an articles. Now let's see where we use the article. We use the when we mention something again. For example, he has a parrot. The parrot can sing well. Second, before definite person or thing, means when we focus on when we mention something. Like look at the window. We are focusing the attention on the window. So we are using the article. Or you can say that before a proper noun, you all must be knowing that what is a proper noun, particular name of a person, place, animal, or thing, and with superlative degree. See, in the degrees of comparison chapter, you must have studied the rules. That is, with superlative degree, we always use the articles, means the identification in the sentence that which degree of comparison will be used here. When the will be there after the before the blank, then the superlative degree will be used. Here, the rule says with the superlative degree, we use the article. So these are the cases where we use the article. Now, students, a and an. These are used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. That is, I need a phone. Use the first time we introduce an object. That is, I saw a movie last night. Used as synonyms for the number one. That is, they bought a computer. Used to indicate one of a group. That is, she is a singer. These are some of the rules. The main rules you'll have to keep in mind is that A article is used with consonant sound and B an article is used with vowel sound. Now, students, what you've studied today, that is articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun, that is the boy, a bee, an apple. Now, students, I hope you must have understood the use of a, an, and the article clearly.